Basically what we try and do here at this site in Leicester, right in the centre of Leicester, is to take in anything demolished, civils, anything recyclable, and bring it in and turn it into a sellable stone. We try and basically deal with councils, local builders, main construction companies, anything like that really. Leicester City Council are one of our biggest customers at bringing products in. Also, we actually recycle 100% of their product they bring in. We're reducing the production of raw materials out of quarries because we're basically turning stuff back into a sellable product out of technically waste. You drop a building down or dig something out of the ground, we can do something with that to turn it into a sellable product which is totally recycled. We try to provide as much as a scope of product as we can, because a lot of the sites nowadays have got to have that much recycled as part of their building plan, and obviously if they can demolish stuff on site, it comes to us, we recycle it back to them, sell it back to them. It's a good way of remediation. When the materials turn up on site, it's basically on heavy goods vehicles. They come across the weighbridge. I inspect the product, grade it as I see fit what bay it has to go in. It then goes into the appropriate bay where it's dealt with then via our crushing and screening technology. We can actually make 8 different types of product here, and a vast range of more due to customers' specifications and requirements. When we're ready to go to make a product, obviously the products which came in over the weighbridge and sorted, then we decide what we're going to make that product into, whether it be a Type 1 product, a 6F5 product or single size product. Then we set up the appropriate machinery to work with that product to crush it and grade it into single sizes or whatever we need. At the minute I'm grading this product, sieving this product to make sure it meets the required grading as per RAP protocol. We try and do this every other day as we're crushing to make sure everything's up to the right specifications. Another reason we do this as well is when people buy a product, they want to make sure they're getting the right product. That's what RAP protocol is all about, to make sure it meets the same requirements and standards as quarries. We can sell most of our products direct, but we tend to use one supplier who hauls all of our stuff for us, buys it and sells it off us, which is Central Construction Services. Do a great job. They sell to a vast area around the Midlands as well, and they do get rid of a fair bit of stuff for us as well.